welcome back to my channel. I am continuing with partial derivatives and today I will be discussing the geometrical meaning of partial derivative. Okay. What is the geometrical meaning of dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y? Geometrical meaning of dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. You consider the function z is equal to f of xy. Z is equal to f of xy always represents a surface in space. So I am calling the surface as S. So let this be the surface in space. For every point x0, y0, you will get a corresponding value z0. So you can take f of x0, y0 is equal to z0. Then the triplet x0, y0, z0, surely it is a point on this surface S. Then dou z by dou x, the partial derivative of z with respect to x gives the slope of this surface S along x direction at the point x0, y0. What is dou z by dou x? It is nothing but the slope of the surface along x direction. And what about dou z by dou y? Dou z by dou y is the slope of the surface S along y direction at the point x0, y0. Okay, so dou z by dou y is the slope of the surface along y direction. So we understood what is the geometrical interpretation of dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. It is nothing but the slope of the surface along x direction and y direction. Okay. Look at the first question. Let z is equal to x into e raised to minus y plus 5y. Then find slope of the surface in x direction at the point 4, 0. Then find slope of the surface in y direction at 4, 0. This is actually a repeated university question, KTU. See, f of xy, the given function is f of xy is equal to x into e raised to minus y plus 5y. And we know the slope of the surface in x direction, it is nothing but dou z by dou x. So slope in x direction is dou z by dou x. For this function, now we should find dou z by dou x. So remember, y is a constant. We are keeping y as a constant. So in x e raised to minus y, e raised to minus y is a constant into derivative of x is 1 plus 5y completely a constant since we are differentiating with respect to x. So constant whose derivative is 0. Therefore, e raised to minus y. So slope in x direction is e raised to minus y and you are asked to find the slope at the point 4, 0. Therefore, slope at the point 4, 0. Put x is equal to 4 if it is present and y is equal to 0. Therefore, in e raised to minus y, it doesn't contain any x, no problem, only 1. So, for y you put 0. So, e raised to 0, that is 1. Now, the second question is slope in y direction. We know it is nothing but dou z by dou y. So, differentiate this function with respect to y, assume x as a constant. So, x into e raised to minus y. What is its derivative with respect to y? It is e raised to minus y into minus y whose derivative with respect to y. It is minus 1 plus 5y. What is the derivative? It is 5. Now we are finding the slope at the point 4, 0. Put x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. So it is minus 4 into e raised to 0 plus 5. E raised to 0 is 1. Therefore minus 4 plus 5. So answer is 1. So this is the slope along y direction. One more question we can discuss. Let f of xy is equal to x square y plus 5y cube. Then find slope of the surface along x direction at the point 1, minus 2 and find slope of the surface along y direction at 1, minus 2. Okay. So the given question is f of xy is equal to x square y plus 5y cube. And as we know, the slope of the surface along x direction is nothing but dou z by dou x. So slope along x direction is dou f by dou x since you are given f of xy. So either you can write dou z by dou x or by using f, dou f by dou x. Dou f by dou x is equal to, see, when in dou f by dou x, assume y as a constant. So y, we are keeping y as a constant. X square whose derivative is 2x plus 5y cube completely a constant. So whose derivative will be 0. Therefore 2xy. Now we are finding slope at the point, the given point 1 comma minus 2. So for that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2. So total answer is minus 4. Now slope along y direction. Slope along y direction is dou f by dou y. Okay. So we are differentiating with respect to y by assuming x as a constant. Therefore x square into derivative of y is 1 plus 5 into y cube derivative 3y square. So answer is x square plus 15y square. Now we are calculating slope at the given point 1 minus 2. It is 1 square plus 15 into minus 2 the whole square. So minus 2 1 square, negative sign get cancelled. So we will get 1 plus 15 into 4. So that is equal to 61. So always remember, whenever you are asked to find the slope of the surface along x direction, it is nothing but dou z by dou x, and slope along y direction is dou z by dou y. Now we have one more question. Let's set this equal to x plus y whole raised to minus 1. Then find the rate of change of z with respect to x at minus 1 4 with y held fixed. And the second question, find the rate of change of z with respect to y at minus 1 4 with x held fixed. See, this is another type. You are asked to find the rate of change of z with respect to x. What is the rate of change of z with respect to x? By keeping y as a constant with y held fixed. That means actually the partial derivative of z with respect to x. It is dou z by dou x. Okay. And similarly, the rate of change of z with respect to y with x held fixed means we are keeping x as a constant and differentiating z with respect to y. It is nothing but dou z by dou y. So in this question, it is enough to calculate dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. Let us calculate that. You are given z is equal to x plus y whole raised to minus 1. It's dou z by dou x. It is minus 1 into x plus y whole raised to minus 2. That is equal to, we can write the negative power as a positive power by taking into the denominator. So it is minus 1 divided by x plus y whole square. Now you are asked to evaluate this function dou z by dou x, this derivative at the point minus 1 4. So put x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 4. So it is minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus 4 whole square. It is minus 1 by 9. And similarly, the second question, it is rate of change of z with respect to y with x held fixed. It is nothing but dou z by dou y. That is equal to minus 1 into x plus y whole raised to minus 2. That is equal to minus 1 by x plus y the whole square. And at the point minus 1 4, the answer is minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus 4 the whole square. That is also minus 1 by 9. So if you are asked to find the rate of change of z with respect to x with y held fixed, it is dou z by dou x, and rate of change of z with respect to y with x held fixed means dou z by dou y. Okay, so we discussed today, what all things we discussed? The geometrical meaning of partial derivative and the new concept, this one. Okay, thank you very much.